Yay, fireworks. I can't believe we're doing fireworks again. Whoa, what was that? Oh, I like these. These are way better than the others. And then the light turns up again. Pause it until we're ready. We're nearly ready, just setting things up. We need the light on. Just a second, let's do the gerbils. The pet gerbils, look at them, and they're so interested what we're doing. My mum has that in her hand. That's my sister, my nana from Egypt. Yeah, and this is me, Lauren. No, people call me Le at Utra Etna. I meant Le Utra Etna, but it's actually Le at Utra Etna, as you can, which I'm going to change my account. This is my mum here, just there. She's setting the fireworks. Caitlin, sister, and my nana. And then it's me. Just tell it to move away. Move. Right then. It's off again. Whoa! I love this one. All I don't like is the noise. It hurts my ears. Wow! It's a really firework than that. Okay, I'm still there. I didn't want to see you now. Which one are you doing now, Mum?
Laser show.
Laser show.
Yeah.
Doing the laser show, okay? Okay guys, so we're doing the laser show right now. We've got some sparklers. Sparklers. Near the job, okay? Just, oh, I don't like Caitlin. I don't like Caitlin that much. Tell you when we're ready. Bang bang, it's sold out right now. We're ready. And yes! I love these fireworks. Wow, look at them ones there. I meant, ooh, look at all the smoke. Sorry for that noise, but it's my dribbles. Pause it, bro. Pause it, bro. Pause it, pause it, pause it, bro. My nana is videoing it as well. I think taking pictures, I don't really know. How many left?
8, 9.
You've got 9 left.
This one has 60 in it.
Light on. Light on.
Light on. That one has 60 in it. I can't believe it. I don't like them ones. So I'm going to stay in here. Oh, go up to 60. I don't like it. If you can... Oh, I didn't know you could do that. If you did, then comment down below. Well, here comes the pops. It's better with the light off. It's really noisy out there in my back garden. Let me just go in. I'm going to get my chair and I'm going to sit down and watch them. That's better. Now you can see them a lot better. Right, starting. Come on, Mum. She's like, I don't really think she can. This is that one. Caitlin's big bum's in the way. hurts your eyes, kind of. Whee! It's all into darkness. La, la, la. Would that be better, like, seeing the whole thing? Yeah, it might have been. Caitlin's butt in the way on my YouTube video. No, literally, once I was videoing it on my bike. I tried to video it properly, but it never worked properly because I put it on my old bike and all you could see was my bum sat on the thingy. I don't know how to talk like that. It's just Caitlin doing a sparkler now. I wish I could. Wait on, let me ask her. Can you move your bum? I'm videoing here. Yeah, I told. If you want to see my other videos, then go check it out. Summer Lauren fell into a pool, which is me, when I was a lot younger. Yeah, now I'm 8 years old. That was when I was 6 years old, I think. Oh, Caitlin's a big fat bum again. Move your bum! Caitlin! Stop! Oh, she's annoying. You freaking bum. Bum bum bum. I really hate her. As you can see behind my nana. I just want to video all the fireworks, but Caitlin's bum and my nana's bum's in the way. This is my second video I have done this year of fireworks. I keep after moving my chair sideways because of her big fat bum. Look at his baggies. Just look carefully. Oh my god, I have a clown, I have a clown in my yard. Wait until the light comes on. Look very closely. Look there. You see that coloured thing? That's a clown, man. It's a clown. God, luckily I'm inside. That would be creepy. I'd be like, Caitlin, look, there's a clown. No, Mom, no, Mom. No, Mom, no, Mom. She's gonna be alright. Oh no, they ain't a clown. Oh no, it's a trailer. What? I'm so dumb right now. I'm not you said. You were through when I said you were beginning to become not nothing anymore. Oh, not anymore. This fireworks called pop. They go pop, pop, all time. If you don't like me, please comment down below. If you don't like me, then comment below. If you don't like my videos, please. I would like to get 1,200 likes and 1,200 subscribers. And then lots of nice comments about me. Not like, you suck, you're ugly. I don't like it. It's mean. And if you are a hater, please admit that you are, and then we'll get it sorted. Then we can be friends again. What the heck is Caitlin doing? She's like so dumb. Who you guys are watching this? Well, last year I did lots of videos. They were only short, but this is a YouTube video, a proper one, which I don't do little mini videos. I just do long ones. Because I do go for a walk ones. I tell you all about Halloween, what I did. I go trick-or-treating. I do anything. I do fireworks even. And I do funny stuff like, fall in a pool. One day I might do the lip challenge. Comment down below. And I will try to get 20 comments about letting me do the lip challenge. About me doing the lip challenge. You've got to vote. What the hell? That made me jump. That made me jump. It made me jump. It just went bing. Who wants a drink?
I didn't know it was that loud.
I'll have a cup of tea.
You already got one.
No, you can't make it anyway.
Who wants a drink? Oh.
I'll have a coffee. Hang on while I make a coffee.
Don't light it, Manna said.
I didn't know that was
I'm doing video. I don't know why, but la 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 la. Just waiting till yeah. Oh, flowers. Yay! Striker's coming up. Ah! Striker's coming up. I just want to light up. Aww. He took the last one. She 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 took the last one. If I just lock it and put it in my pocket, then no. If I lock it and put the key in my pocket, what are you doing?
Happy birthday to you.
What are you doing?
Happy birthday.
Can I blow it out? Oh, you know what? Can I blow it out?
No, it won't blow out the lid.
I know it done. I thought it blows out. Lol. I'm just kidding. There's more sparkles somewhere. I know there is. More sparkles somewhere. Where's the sparklers? I'm like spot sparklers. It's a game. Where are they? Can get drunk and spot any? Coming from this side. That isn't a sparkler if you think it is. Oh, this phone is done, I think. This is my name's also. It's a 73X. I meant Android Xperia. Android Xperia. I like the waves on it. Like, woo. Yeah, it's really nice. I like the light blue as well. But I think it's dead. I don't really know. Yeah? Kitchen! Oh, I'm watching. I'm watching from here.
Why don't you want to come out here?
I don't want to.
Why?
I don't want to.